begin with your inspiration and continue with your saving help.
Pormal na bendisyonan kaya nainaguraran ti Opisina ti Officers Ladies Club Foundation Incorporated Abra Chapter ang masarakan iti compound ti Abra Police Provincial Office. Mismo ti Mrs. ti Procar Regional Director ken Advisor ti OLCFI Procar ani Mrs. Lilibet Dilag ken ti Advisor ti OLCFI Abra Chapter ani Mrs. Janet Dumalig tinangida ulo ti ribbon cutting ken unveiling ti commemorative markers kadwa rin dumapay ng opisyal.
Congratulations to OLCFI Abra Chapter for your new home.
Ti OLCFI kahit grupo ng iti Mrs. ti opisyal ti pulisya.
May this office stand not only a functional workplace but also as a living symbol of shared mission to provide holistic healthcare and wellness support, medical and social missions for our critical ill PNP personnel and their families.
Bigbigan man ni Congressman J.B. Bernos ti dedikasyon ken panagkaykas sa ti grupo para iti alado pa proyekto ang mga itonda ti anay ang progreso.
This new office is more than just walls and a roof. It is a symbol of your commitment and of our unwavering support. My office and the office of Congresswoman Ching Bernos stand ready to walk beside you, to listen, and to partner with you in every good work you undertake. We believe in your mission, and we believe in the power of women united to lift up Abra.
Kuna ti PNP Provincial Director, ti panakipatakder ti naso ang opisina, ket napatao iti proceeds wenno kuna pondo, itiniway ta dua fanshot iti kalabes, ngimura ngayon lungalong ni Kong J.B. Bernos. Babay iti panagkaykaysa iti police, LGU, stakeholders kaya ito opisina ni Kong Bernos na ipalpas na ito'y.
May this office serve as a center of fellowship, service, and support for the officers' families and the police community. More importantly, may it continually remind us that through unity, strong partnerships, and collective effort, meaningful projects can be accomplished for the welfare of our personnel and their loved ones.
Kabayatan na, dagos met na isaruno ti Love in Action when no Project Aruga ti OLCFI iti Camp Juan Villamor Child Development Center. Naiway ti feeding program, gift giving, ken nangidonar da ti telebisyon. Napalaos si panagyaman ng iti learners ken nagiti nagandak iti naiway na programa. Archie Lorenzo, Balitang, Solidort.